Hello, everybody. This is Tina for Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with the year of Julie Nutting Tag Swap. This month, my partner was Ruth, and it was St. Patrick's Day theme. And all I did is took it out of the package. She has it wrapped up like this. Isn't that cute? That's a scarf. Oh, that is cool. Cool. It's one of those scarves that you can round way, you know. That is neat. Okay, oops. That, thank you. That's cute. And then we have clover on the package itself. So, little clover. And it's in an envelope. Little gold coins and green coins. Cute. Look at this. It's a boy. I got a boy one. He's so cute. Got this paper of St. Patrick. Oh, there we go. It's clover. It says Happy St. Patrick's Day. And this cute paper. And you got the boy or man. And he's got a little leprechaun hat on. It's like a t-shirt with some orange. She's got shoes on. And a little pot of gold. She's got that tubing for a bow up here. That's cool. And says, hope you like your tag, Ruth King. And it says, Crafty Creative Chick on the bottom. She's got little gold coins. That is cute. I like how she did this. Little paper. The paper is cute. I wonder where I had a hard time finding St. Patrick's paper at one time. And I had found like 3 sheets at like Hobby Lobby. And then I found some on Etsy, and that's where I've been getting mine. But this is cute. And I almost thought she used cork for the arms and the face. But it's a paper that's really light and textured. I mean, it looks really close to skin tone. I don't have a lot of guys. I have a lot of girls, but not a lot of guy Julie Nuttings. I'm going to be my next thing. No. I always say, no more buying. But I do like my Julie Nutting because I like coloring. So, but this is so cute. Thank you. I will see if Ruth, if this is her channel, Crafty Creative Chicks on YouTube. And if it is, I will link it in the description box so you guys can go check out her channel. This is so cute. I love it. How she made him with the little shorts. The green. Oh, look at it. Just see? Notice the little clover. Oh, and look at how she did this. She put holes in the coins so they dangle. See the things you notice. I always notice stuff after I do a video. I'll be looking at something I received, and I'll notice things I didn't see while it's going on. And his perfect example. Almost missed how she had them hanging. That is so cool how she can. That was pretty clever how she did that. Where she punched hole to hang them. So it became a dangle on the end of the bow. Is that cool? That's a cool idea. I never thought of that. Thank you. I hope you like yours. She got hers today as well. Because we emailed each other, let each other know. And thank you for the beautiful scarf. As soon as my daughter sees that, I guarantee she's going to wear that. She's going to just be like, Mom, can I wear that? And they go out for St. Patrick's Day. So, it's a homebody, so I don't do that anymore. I'm too old. No. She reads my St. Patrick's. She knows St. Patrick's. I have a lot of it. Because I was born in March. So I always buy things that kind of represent March, and that's St. Patty's Day. So she'll probably want to borrow my scarf. Joey borrowed my t-shirts. So, and I thank each and every one of you. If you're interested in doing the year Julie Nutting tag, it's very easy. You make a tag. You send down a bipolar creativity. Oh, I stuttered there. And she gives you a partner each month. So I've been doing it. I've only missed 1 month, and that was July, because I didn't know about it. So I've been doing the last, what is it? It's going to be a year. Let's see. It's done in June. So I've been doing, let's see how many months we got left. Can't figure this out in my head. I'm brain dead here, you guys. 6 months, I think. They're all gorgeous. But if you're interested, I will have that Donna's channel linked in the bottom description box below. And I will try to see if Ruth has a channel as well. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. Love the tag. Such talented ladies out there, I tell you.